Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to get started with ArtBeamer, how to set up your account, how to upload your artwork and showcase them on our augmented reality app. ArtBeamer is an app that allows your customer to visualize your artworks in their space at home. They will be able to see how your artwork fits in their space and then buy it from you. Okay, to get started, you would need to register an account in case you haven't done it yet. So you go on our website, artbeamer.com, and you press My Account. Then you press on Register, and here you can insert your email. And your password. And your name. And a display name for you, for example, ArtBeamer Gallery. Then you enter the code and you accept the term and you register. Okay, you can see I am registered and I need to activate my new account. So I have received an email which I need to open and confirm. So how you can see, I have received the email. Here I can click it and I have the link. I can click it or I need to copy and paste it on the address bar. But here I can just click it and there it is. My account is now activated. Your account was activated. I can sign in here with my email. Oh, that's wrong. No problem. And I am now in my account in ArtBeamer. How you can see, I have a free trial of 14 days. Every ArtBeamer account comes with a free 14 days trial, which allows you to try the app and all its features. It's fully functional for 14 days for free. After that, you can upgrade if you are convinced by the app. You can select our different price plan for different needs, or we also have yearly plans which allows you to save 2 months. You have 2 months free on the price plan. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, we want to upload our artworks. We do that by clicking Artworks, and we are now in the content management system. We call it CMS. Here you can upload, edit and showcase your artworks on ArtBeamer. To do that, we start by uploading our artworks. We can click here. You can also drag and drop them from your desktop, but we can click here. And I just select them 2 artworks I have for here. They can, okay, you see, I'm going to upload 2 artworks and I'm asked who is the artist. Let's say it's me and this is the size, and let's put them as photographs. I can always edit this information later for each unique artwork. I can put its artist, its size, its category, and so on. But here is some initial information I can write. I upload them, and here they are, 2 artworks. Now, now they are stored in my account. I need to publish them for ArtBeamer. I can start editing the information about the artwork by clicking on it, and here I have the information tab. Here I can say the artist is, it's me, and let's say the title is the Rosetta Lounge. And the size of the artwork, this is the size that will be used by ArtBeamer to show the artwork. So it's important that it's the actual size of the artwork, so people will see it in the correct scale and then we'll see if it fits. I then can add some details, launch of the space shuttle, and I can save the changes. Okay, now I might want to also add an offer to the artwork, which means to give it a price and a format for how it's going to be sent or received by the people buying it. So let's say this artwork is going to be $200 and it's going to be sent as a digital print, not framed. Here I can also add an optional link to my shopping system. If you already have a website through which you sell your artworks, you can now link that website within the ArtBeamer app. This means if I have this artwork on sale on a website, I can add here the links. For example, let's say it's my selling website, and then I add the link to this picture, link to picture, and I can add it to the list, and people will be able, from within the ArtBeamer app, they will see all this information, and they have a button which they can click, and then they will be redirected to your website and then can buy from it. But let's say we don't have any. You don't have to. If you have it, you can use it. I now can add my offer to the list if I want to set up a price for this artwork, and I need to save the offer. Now, how you can see, the artwork now has this marker, which means the artwork has an offer, has a price for himself. Now, I need to go on and show the artwork in ArtBeamer because right now it's not yet visible in the app. To do that, I can click the Show in ArtBeamer tab, and then I just need to tick this box, Show in ArtBeamer. How you can see, the artwork is now published for ArtBeamer. And I have here the two shortcodes. Shortcodes are very important because they are the way how your customer access your portfolio and your only. Because people can only access your artwork if they have your shortcodes. This means they can also only access yours and not the artworks from someone else. This is really important. So to access this artwork, they will need to insert this code in the ArtBeamer app, and to access my whole portfolio, which means all my artwork, they would need to insert this code in the app. So now the artwork is published. How you can see, it says shows, it's ticked, and he has this marker here. Now, I was talking about shortcodes. A good way to send to a prospect customer a sale offer about an artwork is to use our sharing and instruction page, which you can find here. Send invitation to customer for this artwork. This page contains everything that your customer needs to know in order to be able to visualize this artwork, and also it contains instruction on how to use the app, which is really important. So it means you don't need to do anything. You just send out this link and people will understand what to do and beam your artwork. So just click the page, and here you see you have the artist, the title, who is the seller, which is you, the shortcodes and the price and how it's going to be sent, or how it's the artwork, and the description. And here you have the instruction on how to visualize this artwork with ArtBeamer's augmented reality app. It means, how do I use it? It contains a link to download the app, the market for printing, and the shortcodes, once again, the shortcodes or the QR codes. And also the final instruction, which is press beam, position yourself near the wall, and so on. You can send this instruction via email, or you can link it, or you can just copy paste it and send it someone to email, or you can also print it and give it to someone. I would suggest to send it per email, because the link per email, because that way they have the link, so they can directly download the marker and the Android app. Now, let's close this one. Now, this artwork is now published. Let's say I want to publish another one. I will do the same. I click the artwork, and I add the information, and I press show in ArtBeamer. So this artwork is also on ArtBeamer. If I want to remove it, I click it and I click the box away, and then it's removed. Okay. Now, something very important is to customize your profile on ArtBeamer, which means to add your personal information, your personal background image, and your profile image. To do that, let's start with the profile. You can go here, you click profile, and you have your public information. You have your display name, let's say which you can always freely change, and it's going to be shown in the app. Let's say I'm not ArtBeamer Gallery, but I am Gallery XYZ. I can add a contact phone, your phone number, let's say something, your email, mail at ArtBeamer, and a website, and a website, and your website, and also some text about you. I am about you. Now, we also have a profile icon and a background icon, which are really important to customize your experience, your customer experience. The profile icon will be, it's the one you see in your profile, in the background and splash picture. It's the background of your folders structure in ArtBeamer. They are available only to not to the basic user, but it's important you set them up so that people can recognize you and you can brand your app. So to set the profile icon and the background and splash picture, you first need to edit this information and save it. Saved. And now we go back to the artwork management system, catalog management system. You need to upload your pictures and as normal artworks. So I can add a folder by clicking here, and I call it logos and backgrounds. You don't need to do it, but it helps to give a structure to the artworks. Here now I can upload my logos. I have them here, others, background, and logo. I upload them. They are done by me. I can put them as other. They don't have any special category, and I upload them. Here they are. So I now want this as my logo. So I click it and I go to usage, and I say as my profile picture. So this will be now my logo, and I want this my background in the app. So I select it, and then I click as my splash screen, and that's it. Now the app is fully branded with my personal information, how to contact me, and also my logos and my background. That's it. Now I have my artworks published for ArtBeamer, and people can access them and beam them and see if they fit and how they fit at home, and then they can contact me and buy them from me. If you want to have more informations or more tutorials, more help, you can just go to our website and go to our help sections. We have some general introductions here about the app, or if you scroll down, we have a lot of tutorials for you to use about everything in the app. Here you will find anything, any questions, and if you have more questions, you can just contact us by writing us through our contact form. That's it. That's great. Have fun, guys.